The headband wig, if you didn't know, is just a half wig with a headband on it.
Hey, it's your girl LaTRIFTY Simone, and welcome back to my channel.
So I have my iPad here because I am going to give you all the information on this wig just in case you are interested in purchasing. I review all kind of wigs on my wig channel. I not only like to review, sexy and natural looking wigs, I also like to review different wigs for different occasions, such as like Halloween, if you're interested in a role playing, honey, if you were into that kind of thing, if you're into anime and different things like that. I want to give you all some affordable options just in case you're interested. Okay, everything is not everybody's cup of tea, and that's fine, that's life. But I like to review all kind of things. And also, if you are interested in like experimenting with different colors, you don't want to spend $100 on a wig that you think you might like as far as the color and be disappointed. So why not get a synthetic unit such as this is synthetic, and try your color out. I always wanted to be like this is like, it looks like a dirty platinum, silvery, grayish blonde wig all the way to the root. This is not a lace unit. This is a skin part or a skin top, and it comes with the bangs. I actually had to cut the bangs down because they were like here. So I cut, and my eyelashes aren't even doing it no justice, honey. It's like the bang is sitting on top of the lash. But this wave pattern is really cute. This is actually some really good quality synthetic hair because it's heavy, and I really like the wave pattern. The color is pretty. If I was to change anything, I would change the bang, and I would, well, would I change the bang? Would I change the bang? I don't know. You all, if you all have watched my videos, you know that I like wigs that are natural top, like my hair color, and then kind of transitioning into that color. I think if I was to change anything, I would probably do that. And that is a cheap change as well, because all you have to do is go to Sally's, get you some root spray, and spray that thing, okay? Another way to kind of switch up your wigs or switch up your units is, who don't love a throw on wig? And when I say throw on wig, I mean throw on the wig and go. Okay, so I showed this wig to King, and she looked at it, a bit confused at first. Put this down. Looked at it a bit confused at first, because it's different. It's not something that, I would go to the store and actually pick out myself, but kind of confused at first. And she said, beanie wig, a beanie wig. And I said, I think you're onto something. So I grabbed my beanie because we know, well, not we know, you might not know, but the headband wig is going around. That's like all the rave. And I've been reading different things of like, why it's becoming a thing, and just different stuff like that. And I began, so much stuff floats around on the internet. I don't know what's true. I heard that lace, the expensive lace is going up, so a lot of manufacturers now are just doing, they're not doing the lace because it's gotten so expensive. So I don't know, honey. Anyway, they have come back, and everybody is on the headband wig, okay? And the headband wig, if you didn't know, is just a half wig with a headband on it. So, baby, and I actually have some to show y'all. So if you're not subscribed to my channel, subscribe to my channel. I got some half wigs to show y'all that you're just gonna add some headbands to and go, okay, for the low. Okay, so I went and grabbed my favorite beanie. This is my favorite beanie right now. It says "Who Cares" on the front. I'm not exactly sure where I got this, but I know I didn't spend a lot on it. Rue 21. And I don't know how long ago I got it. But anyway, I was like, okay. Now I think I'm gonna cut the bangs down just like a little bit more. I think I'll cut the bangs down a little bit more. And I also think that because the hair color is so like bam, and so different for me, that, let me see, and so different for me, that I would actually change my lash style to. Oh, look at that. Like, bang gone. Bang gone. And I just tucked it up under. I think I hear something. Okay. I thought I heard somebody. And I just tucked it up under. So, yes, honey. Look at that. Switcheroo. Okay, so let me give y'all the details to this wig just in case you're interested. If you're not interested, that's fine. Go ahead and pass this video to somebody who might be. Okay, I am going to pull up my Amazon account because I did purchase this wig. These lashes are from LSGLAMZ lashes. If you're not following us on Instagram, then what are you doing? Follow us on Instagram at LSGLAMZ lashes. And these are actually some lashes that are going to be discontinued. So if you're looking for them, you might want to run over there now because I'm transitioning a few things now as I'm growing in my business. You know, looking at like what my customers and what my clients like, what they don't like, you know, trying to keep up with the different changes as far as like lash styles and stuff like that. So some lashes are going to be discontinued. I'm bringing in some new babies. So yeah, you definitely don't want to miss that. And I wear all of my lashes. So yeah, don't want to miss it. Okay, so let me stop rambling and get to this Amazon thing. So I can let y'all folks go. Cause I know y'all got something to do today, don't you? I know y'all got something to do today. Today is Saturday. What y'all got going on? What y'all got going on besides being in the house and in pajamas all day? Cause I know that's what y'all be doing. Okay, so I'm gonna go to my Amazon account. I'm gonna go to my orders. Okay, and I'm gonna go to this wig. I will have the information about this unit in the description box below, but I'm gonna go ahead and read it off to y'all just in case, y'all want to know. This wig is 26 inches long. 26 inches long, and I am about 5'3", 5'4", so it comes about down, and I have all the hair in the front right now. This is all the hair to the front. I only paid $21.99 for this wig. So $21.99 to try out a color that I was interested in, to see if I liked it, to see if I would want to continue to buy wigs in that color. Okay. This is heat resistant synthetic fiber. I don't put heat to my wigs, and I think the wavy pattern is really cute, so I wouldn't straighten it anyways. This color is the T1560, and the picture, let me make sure that my information is not showing. Okay, Okay. I think we're good. So this is what the picture is given. And as you can see, she even has a headband over the wig. So not only can it be a beanie wig, it can be a headband wig as well. Oh. All right, y'all. Let me let y'all go because now I'm just rambling. But that's pretty much the deets to this wig. Let me see if I'm looking anything else. Oh, this is heat resistant synthetic curly hair for Lolita cosplay and Halloween party. That's exactly what I was saying. Like Halloween parties, animation, cosplay, stuff like that, role play. You know, just add to your collection. Just spice it up a little bit. Okay, just spice it up. All right, we just want to spice it up. But anyways, that is all I got for you all today. The wig does come with combs, which I did not use, and it comes with the adjustable straps, which I did use. This wig is big head friendly, so if you got a big head, you're gonna be good with this one. That is all, folks. If nothing else, don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you in my next video. Deuces.